Here we have a Milwaukee 4208-1 magnetic drill press. This has a swivel base. That all works. We checked the magnet out. That also works. Everything functions on here as it should. It's a very nice magnetic drill press. And we have it powered up so you can watch it run. So we'll turn the magnet on. Again, we tested that. That works fine. Goes up and down very smoothly. Now we're going to power it on. This is a variable speed, and we'll put it on forward. Hit the E-stop, that turns the machine off, and then the reverse. Again, we'll use the variable speed control. We'll turn the machine off. As we said, it's in really good condition. Turn it around here. Has a swivel base. Now we thank you for looking at our product.